Hi guys, we're gonna set up the garage door opener here on the Audi E-tron, and I'm gonna click on this button with garage door. Program garage door button now. Yes. Okay. So we want to hold the transmitter towards the interior rear view mirror. Okay. And we want to synchronize now. Yes. Press and hold garage door opener icon in the toolbar, lower display. That's this guy for about 2 seconds. 2. Is it moving? No. So try it again. Press and hold and set the garage door opener. Please read. Okay. Try this again. Holding it up here. Hey, it's working. Garage door is opening now. Is it moving? Yes, it is. Store. Okay. Please park your vehicle directly in front of the system. You want to pair vehicle and position will be stored. There we go. That's good. And we exit. Are you sure you want to close? Okay, say no. Yep. That was it. All settings have been saved. Great. Okay. Garage door 1. Let's try that. And it is closing. Perfect. That is set. And that concludes our little tutorial for the garage door opener. Stay tuned for more. This is AudiSportExpert.ca.